Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Because after pressing the bell icon, you will receive the latest notification of my videos, and after receiving the latest notification of my videos, the creative fear of gaining a knowledge about technology is fulfilled by my videos. So without wasting no time, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Because this channel is all about technology. If you want to gain your knowledge about technology, if you have any critical or knowledge about technology, and if you want to gain your knowledge about technology, then this channel is absolutely for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my videos. So as you have seen the title and thumbnail, that in today's video I am telling you that what is C language. What is C language? So basically C language is a programming language. So C language. So C language is used in programming. Basically it is a programming language. C, like other C, is a general purpose computer programming language. It was created in 1990s by Dennis Dishe and remains very widely used and influential by designing C's feature cleanly reflect the capabilities of the triggered CPUs. It has found lasting use in operating system, device drivers, protocol stacks, though decreasingly for application software. C is commonly used on computer architectures that ranges from largest supercomputers to smallest microcontrollers and embedded system. A successor to programming language, C was originally developed at Bell Labs by Rishi between 1972 and 1973 to construct ultimate running on Unix. It was applied to re-implementing the camel of the Unix operating system. During the 1980s, C gradually gained popularity. It has become one of the most widely used programming languages. With C compilers available for practically all modern computers, architectures, and operating systems, the book The C Programming Language, co-authored by original language designers, served for many years as the de facto standard for language. C has been standardized by ANSI in 1989, ANSI C, and by International Organization of Standardization ISO. C is imperative productual language uh, lexical variable scope and recursion with a static type system. It was designed to be compiled to provide low-level access to memory. Despite its low-level capabilities, the language was designed to encourage cross-platform programming. A standard compliant C program written with probability in mind can be compiled for a wide variety of computer platform for operating system with a few of its source codes. Since 2000, C has consistently ranked among the top two languages, the TOBA Index, a measure of popularity of programming language. In this video, I have told you what is C language. Hope you guys like this video. Meet you guys soon. Take care. Goodbye.